Now we have Arush Tariq with us. She's also a student of MS ITL. Assalamu alaikum Aruj, how are you?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, how are you,
I'm
Umair?
also fine. So अरूज, मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी स्टूडेंट्स हैं इन MSITL. So how this degree is helping them and how does it supports their backgrounds?
First of all, it genuinely is a multidisciplinary program because हम दोनों अलग अलग मैं लिंग्विस्टिक्स से हूँ, आप साइकोलॉजी से हो, इस तरह से CS के काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स इंक्लूडेड हैं. सोशल साइंसेज और CS के स्टूडेंट्स दे काइंड ऑफ ब्रिज टुगेदर, बट they don't hold each other back, which is what's interesting about this course. The MSITL program, it recognizes the limitations of each discipline and kind of bridges them together with technology, which is kind of the whole idea behind it. There are more it encourages social sciences students to come who are more who benefit more theoretically, and they kind of advance in technological aspects. Similarly, tech students, they do practical work throughout their BS, so they are introduced to topics like human centered design and how they can make their tools and design thinking, so which can help their tools to analyze and make it better for use by humans. So I think that is one of the reason which it makes it more multidisciplinary and also practical as well.
And which course you found the most interesting in first semester, which motivated you to pick any course in second semester?
I think for the first semester, game design of learning was a very unique course for me. Especially it was more about because it was more about the gamification of learning and how learning can be interactive, how it can be fun, rather than just a traditional or remote way of learning. That also it was very tech focused. We had to design a game for learning. So coming from a humanities background, I was very skeptical about if I will be able to do it or not, because I had class fellows who were studying MSAI or MS CS students. So I was worried about that, but the instructors as well as the course outline, it recognizes your abilities and it pushes you towards it. So it was very doable for me as well. We were introduced to non-coding platforms for gaming like Scratch and Unity, Unity 2D, Unity 3D. It was very easy to use and quick to learn. So which is most helpful for students like us. And that course kind of motivated me to get into more tech based courses, tech focused courses, which is why I chose information visualization for this semester. Maybe if I hadn't taken game design, I wouldn't have had the confidence to choose information visualization. And I also performed well in that course, so that kind of boosted up my morale towards tech and how I can perform better in it as well.
And how should someone decide between education focus courses and tech focus courses?
Since Because we discussed that it is a multidisciplinary program, it gives you two tracks of education focused courses and for technology focused courses. I think that that would depend more on the kind of impact you as a student want to make, because the education focused courses, they teach us about learning theories, pedagogy, how knowledge is constructed, how it is applied, and how society helps shape that knowledge and how we learn it as well. And then the technology focused courses, they kind of teach us about tools and how to analyze them. When these two come together, we learn about human centered design and how we can make tools that are easier for humans to use and how they can help us. So the idea is not to replace technology with humans or humans with technology, but to create a balance and a collaboration effort, which is the main idea behind ITL, and to create a shared space where where technology and educators, they can come together and make learning more effective, more engaging.
And how was your experience so far with the faculty and with the courses as well?
I had a very nice and pleasant experience, especially with the faculty. I didn't feel like they were just always there to answer any question, to have any, to offer any kind of guidance. I didn't experience that before. I just always assumed that a teacher or a professor, especially in a university or in an MS program, is someone with a high position, and he or she is far to reach. But the faculty over here, they're so friendly, I would say, so dependable. You can depend on them, you can ask them questions, they are always there to help you. And that they understand where you come from, they guide you, they offer personalized advice. And that helped me the most. I help my class fellows, I see them. So I would say that that has been quite helpful.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.